I got the Magic Bullet blender from Amazon on Black Friday. It was on sale for $30.14. On the side, here's some of the things we can make with the Magic Bullet. It is normally priced $39.88. On the other side, here's the things it can do: mix, blend, chop, pulse, crush, whip. This is the 11-piece small set. The Magic Bullet itself is 120 volt with a 250 watt motor. Has stainless steel cross blades. It comes with 2 resealable lids to keep your food fresh, a short cup with a lip ring, party mug with a to-go lid, and a user guide and recipe guide. On the bottom of the box, it has the contact information for Magic Bullet, and it says for household use only. Okay, let's open it up. See what we have inside here. Okay, we got a pamphlet by Magic Bullet. We have our warranty guide and some contact information. This is the user recipe guide. Some safety tips. Has all the parts that are included. All right, shows you how to use it. Screw the lid on and put it in and twist. Got some recipes in here, like a banana coffee frappe and a creamy coconut coffee. You got a berry protein smoothie and a mango coconut smoothie. All right, let's take this out of the box. You got the power cord here. Okay, we have 2 Magic Bullet covers here. And then we have our to-go cover here. So that opens up just like so. Just like most water bottles. Inside here, we have a small, medium, and large container. Has the lid screwed on there. Also shows you the max fill. Alright, here's the medium cup. Has a handle. Has a max fill line. Here's our last piece with the blender attached. Unscrew that. Also has a max fill line. Has a little warning on there. It says to never place the assembly on the base unless assembled to a jar. Alright, there's your base and your blades. With your rivets to screw it on. There's the bottom to attach to the Magic Bullet. Finally, here is the blender itself. It's got the Magic Bullet logo on the front. It says if the blade stops, unplug it immediately. More safety precautions to read the instructions before using. Don't blend warm, hot, or carbonated ingredients or liquids in sealed cups, which can pressurize and separate and cause injury. Never place or store the blade assembly on the motor base unless assembled to cup or pitcher. Alright, it says to power, just push down the cup and then turn it the other way to turn it off. Let's place the blender jar in there, press it down, turn it, and lock it into place. Well, let's try it out. Alright, let's try out the Magic Bullet. Some water and some ice and some protein powder. Insert the container, help to plug it in. There we have it, very thick protein shake. And let's put on the cap. we go. I'm making a shake in the magic bullet. I'm going to attach the bottom to the cup. Make sure that's secure. Put it on top. Turn it. Push it down. Turn it, take it out. There we are, all blended. Put the top on. And now we can drink from the cup. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.